Hello everyone, today I will show you around a high-tech enterprise. ECTech Branch Factory, founded in 2012, is a high-tech enterprise that specializes in mold development, die-casting production, and service treatment of zinc alloy, aluminum alloy, magnesium alloy. The factory covers an area of 18,000 square meters with more than 250 employees. This is our engineer team, who is in charge of providing engineering and technical service to our customers. Now, I will take you to visit our workshop. First is molding department. Here is our mold making site. More than 25 sets of mold can be made here per month. Second is our die casting workshop. We have 30 die casting machines and tonnage from 88 to 800. On production process, we have complete IPQC. The place behind me is degating and deburring by punching machine at the same time. Here is manual deburring. What you see here is post-processing science. This is CNC workshop so that we can guarantee our production capacity with more than 40 CNC machines. Next process is polishing and sandblasting, which can enhance surface finish. In order to make sure the appearance meets the requirements, all the casting parts will be fully inspected visually after surface treatment. This is measuring room. To guarantee our high quality, our company is equipped with spectrograph, CMM, and salt spray testing machines, etc. Meanwhile, X-ray was purchased for sand hold and density detection. Besides, they are also equipped with hot press drawings, laser cutings, and other equipment. The last place is our warehouse. That's all for today's visit. Welcome to our factory for more communication and guidance.